Chad here, Trunnell's Farm Market, Family Fun Acre, where literally just today we have new arrivals. In fact, I think there are 5 of them. Y'all ready? Look. How freaking cute are they? Yeah, so apparently Mama laid her eggs somewhere around the Family Fun Acre, and these guys were recently hatched, but they are loving life at Trunnell's. They are so cute. Look.
Mama says no paparazzi.
Yeah, Mom
no
knows
paparazzi.
she's on camera. Look at these guys. They're so adorable. But yeah, so they're part of the Animal Barnyard here at Trunnell's Farm Market, the Family Fun Acre. You guys can come by and check out. They have goats. They have some roosters, and I gotta be honest, one of the roosters wasn't Chad's friend. But there's a cow, there's a piglet, which is hilarious. And we have other new additions at Trunnell's too. Take a look. Yes, indeed. We have ducklings. Look, you guys. How cute are they? There's Julie. Say hi, Julie.
Hi.
So where are the ducklings gonna live?
They're going in this pen here.
Fun times with the new baby chicks that just arrived. Oh, hey guys.
Don't step on any.
I got you. I got you. Look. Look at that little guy right there. Come on, we're gonna go over here.